The future of lawn care is here. Meet the ANTHBOT Genie3000, the ultimate robotic lawn mower designed for effortless, wire-free mowing. No perimeter wires, no complicated setup. Just place it on your lawn, and it's ready to go. Equipped with RTK plus 4i vision positioning, this mower achieves pinpoint accuracy, even under trees and near buildings where GPS signals are weak. AI-powered auto mapping ensures efficient mowing. The 4-camera system intelligently scans your lawn, detects boundaries, and optimizes cutting routes with zero manual intervention. Intelligent obstacle avoidance technology detects over 1,000 common objects, ensuring the mower safely navigates around pets, toys, and garden furniture. Manage up to 30 different mowing zones and set no-go areas around pools, flower beds, or walkways, all controlled remotely via the smart app. With intelligent hosting mode, the mower adapts to your lawn's size, weather conditions, and seasonal changes, providing a perfectly manicured lawn every time. Experience the next level of smart lawn care with the ANTHBOT Genie3000. Click the link in the description to order yours today and enjoy effortless, wire-free mowing.